So happy to be collaborating with Colgate for the first time. So thank you Colgate for sending me these products. So they have sent me their ultra soft toothbrushes. They look very cute. And I have this Colgate Visible White Smile Out Loud. This is the new version. These will be launching in two different flavors. So this is how the box looks like. You won't be able to purchase this will be launching soon in the market. So let me show you the two toothpastes that will be launching. So this is how the box looks like. So first there's all the details about the toothpaste in this booklet. So we have the booklet here that contains all the information about both these new launching toothpastes. So the first one that we have is the aromatic mint, and the second one is the peppermint sparkle. So actually I haven't opened these two toothpastes yet, but yeah, this is the outer packaging. They look amazing, and I will be so happy to be collaborating with such a company for the first time. So hopefully I will try my best to film a really nice video, because like this is a new launch and I am so happy to be the one of the 1,000 people who are getting the chance to like work with Colgate on this special launch. So thank you Colgate.